Here's something that some of the 87 to 91 F-Series people might have run into at some point. Maybe even the 92 to 96s, I don't know. If you go to roll up your window, I've already pulled the switch up because I ran into this problem when I was in town earlier. And of course, you know, it doesn't roll up. Well, I'll show you how to do this. I ended up earlier, what I had to do was pull the switch out and swap the one with the passenger side, and that worked for a little bit. Come on. There we go. Just bear with me, I'm adjusting the camera. But anyway, so what I'm doing is, this one's for the driver's side. And what we're going to do use this for a bench for the moment. Yeah. Is I'm going to take and pop the switch apart, provided I can get it apart. All you have to do is just take a screwdriver or a knife or something like that. It's got two little hooks in here. You pop those out or pop those loose like this. Then the switch comes apart, and you'll see that all there is just some little contacts. And the way to fix this is to take some PB Blaster and just spray the contacts down, maybe work them a little bit. Kind of work them back and forth. Then kind of tap off the excess, and then put the switch together. Put it back. This just snaps back together. And then I'll set this back over here. See if I can adjust this right again. Focus. There we go. And then I just take and plug this back in, and we test. And you see the window rolls up and down now when you work the switch. So that's all there is to it. Evidently these things are good about this. This has happened several times before. You just take the switch apart, spray some blaster in it, some PB Blaster, and that usually cures the problem. So there's a quick, cheap alternative to spending the $28 for a switch. That's how much a new replacement is, and that's not even from Ford. I don't know what a Ford replacement would run, but an aftermarket's around 28 bucks for another switch. For $3 for a can of PB Blaster, you can fix it for less. Well, thanks for watching.